Hello friends, have you ever thought what could be the usage of the expressions little, a little, the little, few, a few and the few? Many students make many mistakes while using these expressions, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. But before I do so, I would urge you to consider subscribing if you like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. And now back to the expressions little, a little and the little. Remember, the word little is used in a negative sense and it means almost nothing. A little is used in a positive sense and it means some. I'll come to the little later on. Now let me explain it with an example. Let's consider this bottle. It has a very small amount of water, almost there's nothing in it. And if I'm thirsty, I would say there's little water in the bottle. It's not that there is exactly no water, but the amount of water is so small that it would not be sufficient for me to drink. So I would say there's little water in the bottle. Now, if the bottle contains so much of water and still I know that it would not be sufficient for me, I would say the bottle has a little water. That means there is something which is not sufficient, but it would quench my thirst to some extent. Now coming to the little contains two sentences in itself. Now for example, the little water in the bottle is not clean. Now the first sentence in this is the bottle has got very small amount of water, and secondly, whatever water is there, it is not clean or clean. So the little water in the bottle is clean. So the expression little is used in a negative sense, it means almost nothing. A little in a positive sense, it means some. The little has got two sentences in itself. Now the same thing is applicable even with few, a few and the few. Few is used in a negative sense. For example, if a class has got 60 students and just about on a rainy day 2 or 3 have come, I would say, a few students have turned up. And if maybe about 25 or 30 students have come out of 60, I would say the class has got a few students. Now whoever have come, if they haven't brought their books, I would say the few students present have not brought their books. So that is how we use these expressions. Thanks for watching.